Hello YouTube, in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect your Oculus to PC so you can play PCVR games like Bonework, Bone Lab, gorillatag, or any other PCVR game that you want to play. It's very simple to install PCVR. So the first thing that you're going to do on your PC itself, you're going to download the Meta app. On here, this is where you're going to connect your Oculus to your PC. So go to the link in the description, it will go here to this link, scroll down and go to download Meta Horizon Link app. Then once you download it, go ahead run it and you should see this right here. You can see like store, library, see what games you have on your Oculus on the PCVR app, and then also devices, which we'll get to in just a second. And then the next thing you need is SteamVR if you're wanting to play on SteamVR. So for that, go ahead, go to Steam, go to the store, search up SteamVR, and it is free right here, the first option. And then go ahead, download it if you don't have it already. And that's all you need on your PC. Now to your Oculus. Now that you're on your Oculus, go ahead, click the little toolbar right here, the quick settings, and you'll see an option called link. It says not connected by default. You'll either need to do Airlink if you don't have a link cable or a charger that you can connect to your PC. But if you have a charger or a link cable, you can connect that to your Oculus and it'll be way less laggy. But if you have good Wi-Fi, you should be good with Airlink. So go ahead, click link, and you can see the use Airlink right here. If you enable that, you can find your PC. So available PCs, it shows mine right here, which I've already linked it. Make sure you have the Meta app open on your PC. And as well in the Meta app, go to devices, and I already have mine connected, but for you, just press add headset. And then you're going to do it over USB, or you can do it over Wi-Fi. So basically connect your PC, which I'll show that next in the video. Once it's connected with USB or Airlink, go here and then make sure to press continue, and you can connect your Oculus like that. Alright, back to the video. Alright, there we go. And then it connects to your PC. If nothing shows, press cancel and then try to go back onto there and then give it a second. Or you can also just replug your charger. I'm going to go ahead and close the quick settings because usually a screen pops up. If it doesn't pop up for you, just go to quick settings and then connect it from there. So I'll unplug my charger, plug it back in, and then there we go. You should see enable link, access PCVR app, and then press enable. And if you accidentally press no or don't show again, just go to the link on the quick settings and you can enable it there. Alright, there we go. Now I'm in PCVR, and as you can see, I can see some games I own on PCVR, so steamvr, gorillatag, and then if you have any other games, it'll show here. And then I'm going to switch my monitor 1 on my PC. So what you're going to do from here, go to library. You can also do it on PC if you don't want to do it in game, like on your VR, and then scroll down and find SteamVR. If you can't find it, click search, and then at the bottom right, click the little keyboard option and search VR, and then SteamVR will show. Go ahead, launch this, and it may take a second to load. There we go, SteamVR is loading, and once you're in, you'll see this little home. You can find popular games over here, or if you click the 3 lines on your controller, on your left controller, you can see all your Steam games and launch them from here. So like No Man's Sky, gorillatag, Lethal Company if it's VR supported. You can basically play any game. I'm going to launch gorillatag just to show that it works. Play. And if you can't launch it in game, just go to your PC and go to Steam and press launch, and that'll work too. Alright, now you can see I'm in game and I'm still in SteamVR, and if you want to exit the game, you just exit there. Also, if you are lagging, there's a few things you can do, which I'll show y'all now. I'm going to go ahead, exit my game, and you can either go on your PC or switch to the desktop 1 on here and do it in-game. But on SteamVR, click the little 3 lines and then go to settings and then go to video, or on general you can do it as well. And then these are the settings I have. My PC's alright, it's not the best, but you can make it like custom and change the resolution, which mine's on the lowest, so it's not the best quality, but it's good for filming. You can also do auto. You can also see like overlay, the rendering quality, you can have it low or high. Basically you can change anything that you want. And then there's other settings on here. If you want to just go through, you can look through them. And I do have advanced options on. If you're looking and don't see any of the options, you can just enable that and it'll show it. And on the Oculus, if you click the Oculus button, you can do some settings here. So go to the settings bar and you can change like your mic, as well your graphics, and then a few other settings too on here. And that's basically how you get PCVR to work. If you have any issues, let me know in the comments. And if this helped you out, please subscribe. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.